What's happening, y'all? So just checking in with you guys. As you can see right now, it is nighttime. Probably can't see me all that well. I am putting in the work that I need to so that I can pursue my dream with starting my company. I'm sure you guys seen my video where I basically put in my notice. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what I've got going on, where I'm set up here. And right now I'm kind of in the middle of a class, taking my class for my trade knowledge. And you can see my desk there. I'm all set up, guys. It's like 9:30 at night. The class ends at 10 o'clock, so I'm doing my thing here. We're going over. I had to mute it. I didn't realize I wasn't muted. But anyways, you can't show you too much of the class because it's kind of against the rules or whatnot. But you can see all the books here. We got the OSHA book, fibrous glass, ductboard, energy system analysis. I mean, we got book galore here. Florida Contractor's Manual. I got my fine bamboo plant here for some greenery. Sharing the office with some great people who are already doing their thing with their business, and they're going to be my partners. So, but you can see here we got all these books, contractors and accounting. Got notes, train books, air conditioning troubleshooting guides, mechanical book, fire books, all that good stuff. So just checking in with you guys, but we will be seeing you soon. I'm going to do some videos on the progression of things, where I'm at with it, and hopefully we can get the ball rolling soon. So catch you soon.
Peace.